Have you ever encountered any dysfunctional family member?
I think I won't use the word dysfunctional क्योंकि वो थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव स्पेस में हो जाता है. I feel कि जब प्यार है तो झगड़ा है, तो ऐसे वो प्यार वाली झगड़ा है. तो I've experienced the प्यार वाली झगड़ा a lot of times.
You will be surprised because yesterday there was this group of my friends and I told them that I'm going and doing this interview and all the girls were like please tell Alia but we love her and सारे लड़के ये पूछ रहे थे कि यार सिद्धार्थ को बोलोगे फवाद को बोलोगे तो समझ में भी आता है. So how do you do this? Why do girls love you so much?
Do girls love me?
Yeah.
I don't know. Because I'm a girl. I don't know what's the reason.
You're a girl. That's why it's surprising that girls love you.
Yeah.
Girl.
But girl, friendship is very
Very strong. Today I think anything.
Yeah.
Girl, boy, girl, girl.
No, I
Half
mean
boy,
like.
half girl.
I mean like
Bonding.
there's a bonding ना, they can relate to me and I can relate to
But
them.
you were the luckiest girl because एक तरफ आपके पास फवाद खान है, एक तरफ सिद्धार्थ
Am I
मल्होत्रा
not?
है. Yeah, you are. So, but tell us on camera who's the more flirty one to work with.
Flirty one. Fawad is married, so he's not flirty at all.
But that doesn't stop anyone from flirting. Fawad, does it?
No, I think it doesn't, but maybe like Sharif Saad.
हाँ, Sharif Saad.
Too many Sharif bones in my
One
head.
girl
It's not
actually
my,
asked her.
it's not my thing.
Yeah.
If it were my thing,
She asked her,
100%.
are you into the extramarital thing?
Huh.
Then if I hope you are, please, I'm available. He's like, no, it's not my thing.
Like that open?
Yeah.
Do
She openly asked it.
Yeah?
One girl. And
Okay, so first of all सिद्धार्थ आप बताइए कि आपकी फैमिली में which is that member जिसकी सबसे annoying habit है और वो कौन है?
Annoying habit.
Yeah.
I think my brother,
Yeah.
by far, most annoying in terms of जब हम लोग room share करते थे बचपन में, he has to flip like sides at least 4 or 5 times before he gets a position.
Oh,
Every
like-
time. If I was sleeping before and we were going to school and he has to पहले अपने पेट पे सोएगा, फिर अपने पीठ पे सोएगा, फिर ऐसे एक टांग ऊपर रख के ऐसा कुछ one leg here सोएगा. He used to keep shifting. So by that time we used to keep fighting.
Okay.
कि-
Fawad, anyone in your family जिसकी कोई annoying habit हो?
I think I'm the most annoying person in my family. And my annoying habit is sometimes when I'm too tired, I snore. And I get kicked off the bed for that. So,
You get kicked off.
kicked off the bed, yeah.
So then you stop snoring, basically.
To make me stop snoring. Or maybe it's just like, get the hell out of here.
I think fun होता है अगर आप लोग सेट्स पे इनको सोते हुए देख लेते और snoring video डाल देते. I'm sure it would have
मेरे
gone.
साथ हो
एक बार
चुका
हो
है ये,
चुका है
but
एक बार
don't
ऐसा।
encourage that because that has happened to me on a flight where
Yeah.
मैं मुंह पीछे करके मुंह खुला हुआ है and someone just took a picture
man.
of me sleeping.
Yeah, to all the girls who think Fawad Khan is hot, we definitely need that picture out. Acha, Alia, anyone in your family who has this annoying habit?
My father. I mean, I love him.
Yeah.
But वो हाँ, so irritating क्योंकि उनकी एक बहुत बुरी आदत है is that he's just randomly he's sitting in the den, the TV room. We are sitting in the hall. मतलब it's 2 rooms away. Hello, can you pass the TV? What is he talking about? His phone. Randomly he'll start screaming, hello, hey, you come here.
He's talking on the phone.
He's talking. It looks like he sounds like he's talking to. He's actually talking to you.
Oh.
And he calls me Shaheen. My sister's name is Shaheen. Hey, Shaheen, come here. Hey, Sony, calls Shaheen Sony. So he has this very bad habit of mixing words up and randomly just saying hello into the mid end. We're like, listen, you have to have a normal conversation directed to us. Don't just say hello randomly in the middle.
मतलब ego की तो ऐसी की तैसी like I'm just Alia Bhatt and he's like hello Shaheen, how are you?
नहीं, वो नहीं. Ego वाली बात नहीं है. It's been happening since you were a kid. It has nothing to do with Alia, but at home I'm just Alia. I'm Alu in fact. There's no Alia.
Alu.
Alu.
Your pet name is Alu. What is your pet name?
Surprisingly, I don't have a pet name actually.
You don't
Never
have?
had a pet name.
What would you give him
FK.
if you wanted to give him a pet
FK.
name?
FK.
FK.
I call him FK.
That's very cool. No? Alu is
UNC is
Alu looks
definitely-
cool.
alright. Siddharth, आपका pet name क्या है?
Huh?
Siddhi.
I have very
Siddhi.
long names, a lot of Sid, Siddhi.
Don't give the cool ones. Talk about the uncool.
Please
Sid is
tell
also
us.
called.
The
Siddhi.
uncool one.
My mom calls me Siddhi.
Siddhi Malhotra. Now that's very
So she
interesting.
doesn't take it with the last name, but हाँ.
हम सबके cousins होते हैं जो हमें बहुत ही परेशान करते हैं. One cousin who you totally love and you would do anything for.
But I grew up with about 6 of them. My bua's 2 sons and my chachi's.
Your cousin's getting married now.
Yeah, one of my cousins getting married.
You have full हम आपके कौन
पूरा, हाँ,
family
काफी है.
6.
तो मेरे एक छोटी बहन शादी हो रही है. तो it's difficult to pick. Yeah, I think I grew up with having 6 of them around. So we're still very close. हम लोग अलग-अलग जगह पे हैं in the world. So it'll be very unfair and very troublesome to pick one. And maybe उनको मिलने वाला शादी पे तो I want to have a happy wedding.
Okay, Fawad, you.
There's a younger cousin of mine who's a lawyer. So I think these days though it's more of a seasonal thing. इस साल ये फेवरेट होता है, जो ज़्यादा मिल रहा होता है, because everyone's like moved on in life, as in कि हर कोई is working, someone's there, someone's here, whatever. So whenever he comes in, we sit down, we chill, and yeah, he's a chuller. Chuller. That's our
It's the new word
word.
for
That's our
chilling.
word.
That's you guys have coined it.
That's yeah.
It's the
Your
word.
hair color is very
Word.
chilled out.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
You don't know of it yet. It's a problem.
You didn't know
I'm
you were a
dated
chuller.
probably.
Yeah, it's-
You guys are very chuller.
Yeah.
Have I made it up?
No.
Somewhat.
No,
Yeah, you're getting
not
there.
Correct,
yet.
you're the correct link.
All right. Who would you replace in your family to make it perfect? Yeah.
Oh, you're asking me.
It's
Yeah, I'm
you.
asking you.
Yeah.
Well, why did both of you start laughing on cue?
Because
Because it's a chullard question.
yeah, it's a chuller of a question.
Say
No,
na.
but seriously, see, हम लोग की फैमिली में कई बार होता है ना when we are
Because you're
growing
the
up,
only
we
one
wish
who'll
कि यार
answer this.
हमारी mom या dad कोई और होते
हम
या
लोग
बहन
जवाब
कोई
नहीं
और
देंगे।
होती. Have you ever wished that? Would you ever want to change some?
I don't believe in perfect. I believe in imperfect.
अरे वाह.
The Miss India goes to Alia.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
World peace and this.
World peace. But what about you?
मैं मिस इंडिया का सेक्रेटरी हूँ. Same thing. What she said.
Same
Photocopy.
thing. Siddharth, you.
But yeah, I guess there's no such thing कि किसी को एक बंदे को या family member को हटा के family perfect हो जाएगी. I think there's no such logic. I like the concept of whatever having a bigger family staying with you because you can do so much with them. Laugh, cry, fight, be angry, be mad, and not talk to them at length. and still be
आपके
fun.
आंसर्स के बाद आप लोगों को राजश्री की पिक्चर जरूर मिलने
Yeah,
वाली है.
exactly.
पक्की बात है.
हम लोग वैसे ही हैं.
All right.
But you tell ना.
क्या?
Someone in your family.
In my family, who
हाँ,
would
who would you replace?
Well,
आप देखते ना.
बहुत जूते पड़ेंगे मुझे अगर मैंने ये बोला तो, लेकिन मैं पापा हेलो आई लव यू. ओके, नेम वन ऑफ योर सिस्टर और ब्रदर्स possession you have eyed for longest.
I actually, honestly, it's my sister's just sense of creativity. My Shaheen. तो possession नहीं होगा. I eyed her brain, her dimag. Not like I want to take it away, but just like I wish I could be as intelligent and as creative and as all there like her. She's beautiful writer, beautiful thinker, so creative with even making things look beautiful, writing, everything. So in that sense, I am.
Okay.
I think when I was growing up, the thing that I used to envy the most about my elder sister was the kind of freedom she had.
Okay.
So I would have given anything to just have freedom to be given to me because I was never allowed to go out.
Oh, really?
और आपकी elder sister को allowed था.
Allowed था? Yeah.
That's
she used
amazing.
to.
That's amazing, yeah.
Yeah. She used to be like, and because she used to study in an arts college, she could be out like, in Lahore. There's the downtown city is where all the old architecture and everything is just like in Delhi. I don't know what area you would call it, but जहाँ पे सारा ये दरवाजे शरवाजे दिल्ली दरवाजा वगैरह इस तरह की चीज़ें जो हैं. So that's where the art college is, and just like cool hip people, in the college, and they'd be hanging out till like 4 in the morning doing the projects there. Sometimes just staying over the night. I couldn't even go stay over at a friend's place. So I was completely इसको नहीं बाहर जाने देना.
Hot troubled upbringing. Yeah.
हाँ.
But amazing, your family is like a poster. This thing for women empowerment, yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely.
आप-
I was the black sheep in my family.
Really?
Both my sisters were like the favorite ones,
That's
the
really
loved ones.
You're the youngest.
No, I was stuck in the middle
Oh,
and
no.
I was sandwiched.
Okay. And what about you?
I have an older brother who's 6 years older than me. So I was always the annoying younger kid who's roaming around. He didn't want me half the time.
You are annoying.
For elder brothers, yes, of course. I used to be like, क्या हो रहा है इसके दोस्त वोस्त. I think the only time I used to envy him maximum, I think when my dad was in the merchant navy and we used to travel a lot on the ship. तो वहाँ पे शिप पे जब जाते हैं तो पोर्ट पे रुकते हैं, you could get off and have your fun. So when he was about 17 or 16, I was still 11, so he could pull off being 18 plus and go to clubs and parties and with the cadets there who were hardly 18 or 19 at that time working on the ship. And I was sitting at home just was sitting in the ship and waiting with chocolate kha raha hu, can kha raha hu. I became really hatta and mota at that time. So I think I wish if I could trade my brother and his age group at that time when we were traveling the world and could be a 17-year-old pretending to be 18 and international countries and clubs.
Wow, man.
Any day.
चलिए ये तो हो गया कि आप किसको रिप्लेस करना चाहोगे, बट लेट्स गो इनटू एन इमेजिनरी सिनेरियो. और किसी सेलिब्रिटी को अगर आपको अपनी फैमिली मेंबर बनाना हो और उनको गिव देम अ रोल, फादर, मदर, ब्रदर, सिस्टर, तो वो कौन से सेलिब्रिटी होंगे?
Yeah, I would replace I can replace my older brother.
And bring who?
Akshay Bhaji, I think I've already lived with him for a while and he's the
Wow,
coolest man.
Arshad. Why would you do that to him?
Yeah,
Because I can. No.
But कितना
I can say
डिसिप्लिन
it on
रहना
camera.
पड़ेगा because I met him and
But I
apparently
like-
6 बजे खाना बंद शाम को.
No, evening. Huh, but it's. I would love to have that lifestyle, man. He has a great gym. I worked out with him in that gym. He's very disciplined and he's very easygoing and a lot of fun. It's
Okay.
not like it's not fun anymore. So.
Alia, you?
I'm thinking.
Okay. So we'll come back to you. Fawad, you?
I'd love to have Rishi Kapoor in my family.
As
As any member in the family, but he
anybody.
should be there
As Chachi
at an
Chachi?
occasion.
Chachi?
Yeah, at an occasion or something like that. It would be amazing to have that one family member who's just got these amazing stories to tell and cracking up and
Yeah.
and doing whatever the hell he wants.
We did.
But
we
he
were
is
staying.
amazing, you know?
We were
Yeah.
staying in Kunur. We were like a family. We were all
Yeah,
staying
yeah.
in Kunur, shooting for about 35 days non-stop. और एक ही घर में जब आप कुनूर में जहाँ पे इतना कुछ नहीं है करने को, I think the only entertainment you have is each other, and you know we all genuinely got along. There were no such politics or egos floating around. Be it at night, we were all just chill in somebody's hotel, or we started playing poker. Everybody started playing poker,
But not with money.
and,
Obviously, we weren't gambling.
for fun, yeah. And I took horse riding lessons, and because I could there. We were playing cricket.
You never.
I had never. I mean, I had done bachpan mein aisa kuch. Never took lessons. I was taking horse riding lessons. Yeah, we had a lot of fun. I think because the kind of people that we had, Rajat sir, Ratna ma'am, Rishi Kapoor, you know, Shakun, the whole crew, even our DOP Jeff, who came all the way from America. We've done a lot of faffing around and interesting stuff, which has made the whole experience kind of warm and not make us.
यार इनकी फिल्म में अगर कभी कोई ऐसा स्पॉट बॉय का रोल हो तो देन प्लीज मुझे
You
देना
should.
इतना मजा
This film you should have. It was
But
the
I would have
warmest set.
totally, you know, since we just talking about
The
Rishi
nicest
Kapoor,
set.
yeah, I would have loved to be on the sets because मैं Twitter पे जब उनके
Have you seen the making videos?
Dude,
Or-
I've
or
seen
no?
this clip जहाँ पे you know he's completely bald and there's this song called Buddhu Man. I wanted to talk
Buddhu
about.
Saman. Oh, it's
Buddhu
out?
Saman.
Oh, you've seen it,
Yeah, I've seen it somewhere. I mean, it's not out yet, but
Ah.
I have seen it.
Acha.
So, would you like to tell us more
Who
about
do you know? Who's doing it? Okay.
sources?
Sources.
So, would you like to talk about that song and Rishi Kapoor especially?
Yeah, Buddhu Saman is a song that we have for his birthday, Dadu's birthday, and it's the whole family gets together and we prepare a surprise party for him, हमारे कुनूर के घर पे. And you see a lot of gifts coming up, which you'll understand of what our Dadu likes. He's not your regular run-of-the-mill, you know. He's थोड़े सटिया गए and he still likes those childlike, you know, quirks and demands that he has. He's obsessed by technology in the film, you know, कि उनको iPad पहली बार दिख रहा है. And yeah, I don't know what did we gift him? What did we gift him? For
Don't mention
No,
now
then
that.
that'll be giving away the surprise.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, what a party! I'm sure that if you were there, you would have had an amazing time. I think it was more a vacation, and just I think we were just shooting Big Boss kind of a thing. How things
Whoa,
were
people
just.
would die to see you three in Big
Big
Boss.
Boss?
Yeah, because we were all
Not the correct
together.
reference.
I mean, just trying to say that, you know, basically
A
it's just
happier
like
version.
walking around and just the camera is just shooting you. That's what I mean. to say.
अच्छा,
Yeah, it was
वैसा.
very
I've
simple.
not really followed Big Boss as much, but I just hear, no, matlab it's like just people waking up in the morning and from dusk till dawn, whatever they're doing.
Trust me,
No,
आपने
no.
follow बिल्कुल नहीं किया.
Ah, exactly. You've not seen.
It is not that easy.
You don't want to
जितना-
be in that house.
Yeah.
But you get the sense of what he's saying.
Yeah, but acha, you know, there are Chul I have seen obviously. Then there is Buddhuman. Then we saw on your Instagram you've been singing songs. Which is your favorite song in the film?
I think honestly, I genuinely like all the songs. There's not like one song that I say is like, oh, ye to hands down favorite. I had the best time shooting Chul because it was like a dance number, but it was with a twist. And for me, I like doing new things. You know, the usual thing that we'll always do, but to kind of incorporate the masala with your own style, which is basically what Shakun's style is. जो house party, हमारे director जो है, is the house party vibe that he tried to capture. That was very interesting. That was also fun. But I like all the music, and I think every song is special. Like Buddhu Saman, when I heard it for the first time, I thought it completely goes with the vibe of that moment of this happy celebration party, you know. And I don't think we've had a grandfather 90th birthday party in a really long time that
Yeah.
we've seen visually
Yeah.
as a song.
Yeah.
So that's quite interesting.
Yeah, grandfather को actually हम लोग ignore ही कर देते हैं, हम लोग ध्यान ही नहीं देते. But I've heard that you're also.
Ignore नहीं करना चाहिए.
No,
बिल्कुल नहीं
not at
करना
all.
चाहिए.
Yeah, I think we all have.
But
a
I've
great-
heard you're also dancing, like proper hardcore dancing in this film. Would you like to tell us about that song?
What a dreadful experience.
Dreadful experience.
Oh yeah, I pulled so many muscles doing
Yeah.
it.
But we were all broken and broken.
No, but no, kudos to the team that जितना उन्होंने मुझसे निकलवा लिया. But dance for me, I'll be very honest, is something that I'm very scared of and I do dread. They made it really fun, but the last couple of things, I think that another track that is going to come out soon.
Let's
And
not.
yeah, I
Let's
hope
not.
I hope
But
यार तुम
Let's
लोगों ने
Not
मेरी
Show
इज्जत
it
रखी है उसके अंदर.
has nothing to do with the film.
Yeah, it's a
ये
track.
purely वो क्या होता है ना प्रमोशन वाला सॉन्ग जो बोलते हैं
Club का
ना,
वाला,
एकदम
club का वाला,
प्रमोशन।
correct.
3 गुड लुकिंग लोग हैं आपके सामने, तो डांस तो करवाना ही पड़ेगा, बॉलीवुड फिल्म है आफ्टर ऑल।
सही बात है।
सो
But I thought-
किया
क्या
हमने।
मुझे
On that
तो-
note,
लेट्स सी, लेट्स नाचो जब आएगा।
Adding to that, मतलब the thing is that it's fun. But for me, I just say कि यार अगर if you want to make me dance ना, अगर मुझे सिर्फ आपने 5 मिनट का, सॉरी 5 मिनट का, 5 मिनट तो बहुत ज़्यादा है, 5 सेकंड का भी सीक्वेंस कराना तो मुझे 1 महीना जो है पहले उसके लिए ट्रेन करा दो। So for me, it's been an interesting experience. I'm like learning a lot from these guys. Yeah, what it is to actually dance the Bollywood way and all of that. So
Siddharth, which is your favorite?
Very difficult. I think again, Chul, I would say, because way before when Shakun was even listening to the song, उसकी sensibility नहीं है actually to have an item if you see his first film. And this is his version of an item, which is like a house party, which does not seem like one. It's a very
But
real
I
kind
love
of
it
space.
because हम लोग जब parties करते हैं हम लोग ऐसे
ऐसे ही।
ही
Correct.
करते हैं,
तो
कौन
वही आइडिया
This
वही
is
था।
Shakun's
Yeah.
idea of like an item.
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
So
कि
I
chill
think
कर रहे हैं।
Chul, because of to convince him in that earlier space when he was thinking whether to have this song or not. And I love this song from Bacha, and I said, bro, please take it. And we'll definitely have it. And today it's working really well, so we're pretty happy.